Welcome back, Wanderers. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of combining your passion for travel with the art of making money on the road. So, buckle up and hit that subscribe button because we've got some fantastic insights lined up for you. Remember, watch it until the end so you don't miss any step on the way. 1. Find your travel niche. The first step to making money while traveling is to find your travel niche. Think about your unique skills, interests, and passions. Are you a talented photographer, writer, or filmmaker? Or maybe you have a knack for teaching languages or yoga. Identifying your niche will help you tailor your income-generating strategies accordingly. 2. Remote work opportunities. One of the most popular ways to fund your travels is through remote work. Many companies nowadays offer remote positions, allowing you to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Look for freelance jobs, remote contracts, or even start your own online business. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are excellent platforms to kickstart your remote career. 3. Become a travel blogger/vlogger. Share your travel experiences with the world through blogging or vlogging. Document your adventures, tips, and advice to attract a dedicated audience. As your following grows, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsored partnerships, affiliate marketing, and even selling digital products like travel guides or presets. 4. House sitting and pet sitting. House sitting and pet sitting are fantastic ways to travel for free while earning money. Many homeowners need reliable people to care for their houses or pets while they're away. Websites like Trusted House Sitters and House Sitters connect travelers with homeowners, providing a win-win situation for both parties. 5. Work exchanges and volunteering. Consider engaging in work exchanges or volunteering programs. Platforms like Workaway and HelpX connect travelers with hosts who need assistance in exchange for accommodation and sometimes meals. This approach not only saves money on accommodation, but also allows you to immerse yourself in the local culture and make a positive impact. 6. Monetize your photography and videos. If you have a flair for photography and videography, capitalize on it. Sell your travel photos to stock image websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Create captivating travel videos and upload them to platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. With time and dedication, your content could generate a passive income stream. 7. Teaching English abroad. If you're a native English speaker or fluent in the language, consider teaching English abroad. Many countries have a high demand for English teachers, and the qualifications required vary. Programs like TEFL and TESOL can enhance your teaching credentials and open up exciting opportunities worldwide. 8. Tour guiding and travel writing. Show off your in-depth knowledge of specific destinations by becoming a tour guide or travel writer. Join tour companies or start your own tours, providing unique and personalized experiences to fellow travelers. Additionally, pitch your travel articles to magazines or online publications for extra income. There you have it, fellow travelers. A comprehensive guide on how to make money while exploring the world. Embrace your passions, stay open to new opportunities, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Remember, travel enriches the soul and fills your pockets. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow adventurers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep earning, and keep making memories. Happy travels!